Good evening, dear students. Today we will be talking about squaring two-digit numbers, right? We can square two-digit numbers in different ways. You know what are square numbers? There are many perfect squares from 1 to 100. How many perfect square you know? There will be 10 perfect squares. Square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 it's 16. Square of 5 it is 25. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 7 is 49. Square of 8 is 64. Square of 9 is 81. And square of 10 is 100. These are 10 perfect squares from 1 to 100. We will be talking about how to find out square of some other two-digit numbers from 1 to 100. Alright. So for that I will be utilizing a plus b whole square, this identity. Identity, you know it, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is an algebraic identity. We will be using it to find out the square of two-digit numbers. Okay. So let me explain you. Now I will apply a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, this particular identity, to find out square of two-digit numbers. Let me take for example 26. 26 square. I can write 26 as 20 plus 6, correct? Now square is there for 26, so for 20 plus 6 I will write square. Now it falls under a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, correct? A means here 20, so I will write 20 square because a is here, we have a square, so 20 stands for a, so I will write 20 square. Now in place of b, what is here? 6. Square of 6 I will write in the third place, means as a third term. Second term is 2ab in the identity. On right hand side you can see 2 into a into b. So 2 multiplied by a and b. So here 2 I have written already. Who is in place of a? 20. And 6 is b. Sorry. Now it is 2ab plus b square. So who is in place of b in this place? Here in place of b I have 6. So square of b means square of 6 I will write here. Now 20 square is 400. 2 into 20, 40. 40 into 6, 240. Plus 6 square is 36. Now on adding all this, we will get the square of 26. Okay. So it comes 6. 0 plus 4 plus 3 comes 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. 676. This is square of 26. Alright. Now I took little more time while finding out this. Probably you could find out 26 square simply by multiplying 26 with 26 easily. Yes, that also can be done. So we will now try to make it faster. Okay, see. Closely have a look at this. What we had here? We had 20 square, 2ab means 2 into 20 into 6, and 6 square. These three things were added. If I write them in columns, 20 square is 400, I wrote here. 2 into 20 into 6 is 240, I will write here. And 36 I will write here. Now 0 plus 0 plus 6, 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6. Well, here you can see I have added all this to get 676. Now let me tell you in a different way. You see it is 26 square. I am telling you take square of 2. Here we took square of 20. I am omitting this 0. I mean the place value of 2 is 20. Remove 0, take 2 only. Square of 2 is 4. I am writing here. Now take the unit place. Who is that? 6. Here also we took 6 square, that is 36. So I am taking the same thing, square of 6 is 36. Let me write here. And now multiply 6 and 2, product of 6 and 2. Here in the place of 2ab we did that, 6 into 20 into 2. So, but we multiplied the place value of 2. Place value of 2 is 20, 20 into 6 is 120, 122 is 240 you got. Now I am telling multiply only 6 and 2, means 6 and 2. 6 and 2 is 12 and multiply with 2. In other way you can understand, like multiply 6 and 2 and double it. Okay, take 2 times of product of 2 and 6. So you get 24. So I am writing that 24 here. Okay. Now you can put zeros here. You can see now it is matching, both the things are matching. I had omitted the zeros. So 6 comes here, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 2 6. Now I will try to arrange it little. Okay. Instead of writing like this, I can write like this. You see, take square of 2. Square of 2 is 4. Instead I can write 0 4. Let's say square of 6 is 36. I am writing on the side of 4 only, 36, and double the product of 6 and 2. Product of 6 and 2 is 12. Double it. 6 2 is 12 into 2 24. Now that 24, you don't write 4 below 6. I mean not like this. Write 24 here. Means leave unit place. Start writing from tens place. Under the tens place 4 will be there, and under 4 means 100 place 2 will be there. 24 you write like this. Now add this all. 6, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 2 6. This is your answer. So we will utilize this method to find out the square of these 6 numbers that I have written here, correct? And it will be faster, I think. Let's see. Let me check out here again what I did. I took square of 2. I can write it 0 4 on only 4, no problem. Square of 6 is 36. Right near 4. Now double of product of 6 and 2. 6 and 2 multiplied 12. Product of 12 is 24. Right here. 6, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 2 6. So product is 676. Alright, so let's move on to find out the square of those 6 numbers which are displayed on the blackboard. Shall we? Let's go for it. I am erasing this part. So let's see how much fast we can do it. Let us see. Here I have 29 square. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 9 is 81. 9 2 is 18. 18 2 is 36. So I get 1. 8 plus 6 14. 4 plus 3 7 1 8. 841 is square of 29. You can check also by multiplying 48 square. 4 square is 16. 8 square is 64. Now 8 4 is 32. 2 is 64 here. I have 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 13 and 2. 2304. This is 48 square. Now 87 square. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 8 7 is 56. Double of 56 is 112. 112. So on adding it, I get now 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. Let's go for this. 7 square is 49. 6 square is 36. 7 6 is 42. 2 is 84. So I have now 6. 4 plus 3 7. 8 9 17 and 5. Here 6 square is 36. 3 square is 9. 9 will be written like 09. And then 6 3 is 18. 18 2 is 36. So I have 9, 6, 6 3, 9 and 3. Alright. Let's go for it now. 8 square is 64. 8 square is 64. 8 8 is 64 and double of 64 is 128. 4, 6 8 14. 1, 1 plus 4 5 plus 2 7. 7. You can check these answers whether they are correct or not. If anything is wrong, tell me in the comment. Correct? So this is our method of using a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This particular identity while to find out square of 2-digit numbers. If you practice it, I think you will be much faster to calculate any square of any number, any 2-digit number. Even we can apply it for 3-digit numbers also. Thank you for now. Thank you.